In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 types of maintenance that you should be carrying out in your engine that prolong the life of your engine. I mean 3 types of maintenance. Don't miss the 3. If you can stay with me and listen to these 3, I'm telling you, you are going to enjoy your engine. The first one is preventive maintenance. That's the first maintenance. Preventive maintenance. In this one, you are not going to wait till your engine develops fault. What do I mean? You don't need to wait until your engine develops fault before you are going to visit a mechanic, before you go to a workshop. No. Then you need to carry out services. You need to know when you need to change your oil. You need to know when you need to change your fuel filter. You need to know when you need to change your suspension. You need to know all these. Check this owner's manual. You will see all this outlined there. If you can follow it, then you will notice that your engine will, to prolong the life of your engine, your engine will hardly break down. That's preventive maintenance. That is, you are preventing breakdown. That is the first one. And what is the second one? Corrective maintenance. Have you heard that before? Corrective maintenance. Let me bring it down so that to your understanding. Now, you want to correct the problem. This has to do with repair. For example, you notice a leakage. Don't wait until it becomes bigger. Just a drop of leakage, stop it there. Don't allow it to aggravate. Don't allow it to become bigger before you address it. If you notice just a leakage, just a drop of a coolant on the floor, what should you do? Take it to the workshop. Ask them, why is this? Sometimes you don't even need to spend much at that early period of time. If you notice a strange sound, immediately address the problem instantly. Don't wait until the sound becomes bigger and it's now become noise to your hearing. No. That is what we call corrective maintenance. It has to do, you are correcting the fault that has developed. You remember the first one, preventing. You are preventing the fault from coming in. You are doing your maintenance, you are following the normal routine to ensure that the problem does not come. Now the little problem has come. You have noticed it, you have seen it, that the problem has come to your engine. What should you do? You want to correct it. That's what we call corrective maintenance. Then the third one is called predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance usually requires tools to do this. You need what we call condition monitoring tools. It's a kind of techniques that monitor the performance of the engine. In this system, you make use of sensors. You implement sensors. This sensor will pay attention to the temperature of the engine, to the vibration of the engine, and this data will be analyzed and see when you need to perform a repair. It will tell you when you need to perform an overhauling. Before, it will tell you what you need to do at a specific time when you should do it. It will tell you that so fault is going to develop. This one, you need to take it to workshop to perform a predictive maintenance. These 3 maintenance is very, very important for you to have a sound engine. Don't forget preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and predictive maintenance. These are the 3 types of maintenance you should be carrying out on your engine. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do just now. My name is Mr. Engine. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for listening to me. See you.